Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Salesforce data loader. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to have our data loader in our computer. And basically, we need to download it and install it first in our PC. So from here, this is the developer guide of Salesforce. So we can here learn on how to do that. So basically, you will need already to have uh, GRM or GRE, which is the Java runtime environment, and you want to have the version 17, so you can just to go for GRE 17, and you can either have the Oracle ones or you can have many other ones that you can find there. So the one that is suggested by Salesforce, which is better to do, which is the Zulu GRE, and we want the GRE, the 17 version. So you will need just to go for the versions and go for the 17. So basically, you can after that install it, and then we need to have our data loader. So you would need to have the link for it, and you have already two ways to do it. Either you can do it with the command. So basically, if you are using your command line, you can go for the command line and download it. And after that you have your own data loader, you will need to unzip the file. And basically, you would find two type of files: the bat file, which is the commands, and basically, here after the extraction, that what would you like to use? So basically, in this install.bat, you will need to execute it and make sure to run anyway, since it is a bat, which is a bash script file, and then the process would start installing. So basically, you click enter yes or press the enter key, and then the process installation would start. And now you have the data loader and you can start using it. And basically, you can start going to any type of guides and you can learn more on how to use it for the extraction or for inserting data, getting the data, or the metadata of some your application, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.